Hi everyone. After watching videos on YouTube for years from all of you with great tips and techniques on ways to refinish guitars, I've learned a lot and I appreciate it. So I decided I'm going to contribute something back that's kind of unique in itself. I took my Les Paul Axis that got some damage on it, stripped it down, and stained it with fabric dye, and decided to go ahead and throw on about 8 coats of SPRAYMAX 2K clear, and it's coming out really good. But being the impatient guy that I am, I don't really want to sit around for God knows how long until it dries. So I came up with this way to speed up the process that works really well, and it's kind of fun. As you can see, I hung this guitar from a bungee cord on anything that's supportive, put a rotating fan in front of it, and the guitar actually turns and spins and does different patterns from the fan and the reaction to it, which is really funny if you watch it. The guitar looks like somebody's actually turning it in different ways to try to dry it, and this goes on for hours endlessly. So it's the closest I can get to something doing perpetual motion. So anyhow, I just thought I would throw that back at you guys. It works really well, and it'll go on like that as long as the fan's running and you leave it there. This guitar will just keep on spinning and changing patterns until it's dry. So have fun. And thanks for all your tips over the years.